So anyone that doesn't know, I'm putting exhaust tips on my car. So the factory kind of looks like a vacuum cleaner attachment, and they're black chrome. It's part of a package that comes with my car, so I will be keeping them. But to remove it, here I have a 13mm bolt that goes to a clamp, and that clamp is welded to the muffler or resonator. I'm not sure which it is, but you unbolt it, put penetrating oil in here, put penetrating oil around through here once the clamp is open, and then just hit it a good 2 times with a rubber mallet and come right off. So that's the stock exhaust tip. And this is the replacement. I picked these up at Summit Racing locally. Stainless steel, supposedly. And as you can see, same diameter. I'll be able to use the factory clamp, and no welding necessary this time. So with that, I'm going to close this, and I'll get some pictures and put up on Instagram as soon as I finish. Y'all have a good day.